Hello, this is Aaron from Tushaf. In this video I'm going to show you how to create an Atom state machine inside Unreal. So let's go to the content and create an Atom state machine from the Atoms crowd menu. Let's call my main state machine. In this scene I have three clips that I'm going to use inside my state machine. I have a work clip, idle clip, and idle to work. So let's open the state machine. As you can see, it's really similar to the Unreal one. So I add a new state. This one will be my idle state. You can connect to the entry. Doesn't matter which state you connect to the entry. Now let's have a look to the attributes of this state. So we have the node ID, that is the ID of this state. This ID must be unique inside the state machine between different states. When you create multiple states, Atom automatically increase this ID. And remember, because this value, you need to use this value inside the state machine module to select a specific state for your agent. Then the node name and then the clips. On each state you can add multiple clips, so you can press the plus button to add one. You assign anim sequence asset here. So let's search for my idle relaxed anim. And let's open the attribute here for this clip. So here specify the motion type. That is, in this case, it's a straight clip. So I just set here to straight. If it's a turning clip, you need to select the proper turn here. And the merge type. So the merge type is used when you have multiple clip in a single state. So if you have 2 or 3 clips, for example, you can set up these to merge. In this way, Atom just merge everything straight. If you set all the clip in random mode, then Atom selects randomly one of those clips when an agent enters the state. This one is useful, for example, if you have a different style of, I don't know, work or idle, and you want to put some variation agents, and so you can, with a single state, you can have a different variation, and your agent can play different clips for that state. Here, angle, blend angle is used for turning clips. Also the sync is used for turning clips. This one tells Atoms to not take the direction from the simulation, but using the direction from clip to turn your agent. Also this one is used for your turning clips. Max turn angle as well is used for turning clips. And then the last one is the tag that is used for when you are in random mode. So with the tag you can put a metadata name that is used to weight the random choice between the different clips. So you can weight basically the probability of the random based on some input metadata. Here in this case I have just one clip, so it's fine. I don't need to add more, but if you need to add more, just press the button here. Let's create another state for my work clip. Okay, so I have my work. Let's add a clip. It's my work. It is here. As you can see, it has a different ID. You can edit manually this one. And just remember that this ID must be unique inside the state machine. Here is the same parameter. It's a straight clip and it's fine. Now let's create a connection between these two. And let's select the connection. So as you can see, you can specify clip as well in this transition. And for example, you have a transition clip. In this case, I have a transition clip. So let's add my idle to work clip. you have the same parameter here. The difference here is blend in and blend out frames. Because if you don't have a clip here, Atoms linearly blend the two states, and you can tell Atoms how many frames you want to use to blend in and blend out from the transition. Okay, so everything's fine here, just save it. Let's close this one. Just now assign my new state machine to my managing type. Let's save it. And let's test our state machine. Let's create a grid layout. I need to set there my man. Let's add the state machine beer module. You can see I have the state 0, that is my node ID of the idle state. That's fine. If I change the state to 1, I switch to my work state. And if you change that metadata at runtime, then it will play the transition clip. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.